Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to draw Zoom logo using Python Turtle. So this is the logo we are going to draw. Let's get started. First of all, let's import Turtle library. And create Turtle object. Now let us set the screen color. So as we can see, the background color is sky blue, so the color code for this is and let's set pen color to white. First of all, let's move turtle pen to here. So the coordinate of that position are minus 350, 250. First of all, we draw this part and the next we draw this part. So we start from here and move all the way up here and end it here. So in the beginning the turtle is facing towards right direction, so we have to move it 180 degree by left. And we are going to draw this arc here. For that we are going to use circle. This will draw the arc of length 90. Then move forward by 250. Now we have to draw this arc. So let us change the angle of the turtle using set heading function. And draw this arc. So let's execute and see. We started from here and we are now here. T dot forward 355 will forward the turtle, and we are drawing another small arc here. Move the turtle forward by 220. Now we will reach here and we have to draw another big arc here. So T dot circle 180, 90. So these two arcs are similar and these two arcs are similar. And T dot forward it by 355. This is completed. Now we have to fill this with the white. So T dot begin fill and T dot fill color with the white. And T dot end fill here. Now let's go to this position and start drawing like this. Now our turtle is facing towards left direction, so we have to move it to left by 90 degrees to make the turtle face downward direction. So first of all, let's move to that position using go to function. Now let's change the angle of the turtle by 90 degree, left by 90 degree, and forward it by 200. Now again move left by 60 degree and forward it by 210. Now again move left towards this direction by 120 degree and forward it by 410. Now we are here. Now again move left by 120 degree and forward by 210. Let's execute and see. Now we have to fill white color to this also. Started from here, so T dot begin fill, T dot end fill. Yeah, this is it. Thank you guys for watching the video.